I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming formats. SRT and VTT are most common because they map timestamps simply. Once done, move the subtitle file and the matching video into the same directory so automatic loading works. Make sure file names match, except extension. Then open your chosen player app that supports external subtitles. You'll avoid mismatches and ambiguous loading by using a known player. This saves time and prevents sync headaches later. Now load the video and add subtitles. In the player, tap the menu, choose Load Subtitle, and pick the file. If the app didn't auto-detect, manually browse to the folder and select the exact SRT or VTT. Once visible, play and check sync. If lines lead or lag, use the subtitle offset or timing controls to nudge them by seconds or milliseconds. Make small adjustments and recheck until speech and text align smoothly for a natural viewing experience. To finish, save your settings so the player remembers the subtitle track, or if you need permanence, burn the subtitles into the video using an app. Once done, export the adjusted subtitle file if you corrected timing so other apps can reuse it. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Ensure UTF-8 encoding, matching file name, and correct timestamp format. If text shows garbled characters, switch encoding. These checks quickly resolve most playback and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.